In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in ChatGPT on desktop. We'll walk through getting to the right place in your account settings so you can manage key preferences. I'll also point out a few small interface details that can save you time and help you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your preferred desktop browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and look for the official site. It should be clearly identified as the service from OpenAI. Avoid ads or lookalike links, and if you're unsure, open the result in a new tab and check that it's the legitimate website before proceeding. Once you're confident you're on the right page, go ahead and click through to the site. On the ChatGPT landing page, select Sign In. You'll need to be logged in to access your settings. If you're already signed in, you might be taken directly to your chat workspace. Either way, the next steps are the same from here. Inside the app, locate your profile icon. Depending on the layout you see, this icon typically appears either in the bottom left corner of the sidebar or in the top right corner of the window. If the interface has recently updated, it may look like a small avatar or your initials. Click that icon to open the account menu. From the menu, choose Settings, then open the General section. This is the hub for core preferences that affect your overall experience. It's where you can manage how the interface behaves and looks on your device. If your version shows language and region options, they'll appear here. If you don't see a separate language control, don't worry. ChatGPT may follow your browser or system language automatically, and I'll share a quick tip on that in a moment. While you're in General, you'll also see the Appearance option. Click the Appearance drop-down and select the theme that suits you. Light for a bright interface, dark for a low-light friendly view, or System to let ChatGPT match your computer's theme automatically. This change applies right away, so you can instantly confirm which look you prefer. To wrap up, remember, open the official ChatGPT site, sign in, click your profile icon, and head to Settings, then General. That's the area where you manage key preferences, including appearance, and where language controls may appear depending on your setup. If you don't see a language option, your interface likely mirrors your browser or operating system language, so updating that can help. After making changes, a quick refresh ensures everything takes effect.